In the metals quadrant, taking a look at a very strong rally in the May copper futures contract. As a matter of fact, it's been strong all week. Copper had its strongest week since the first week of January 2023. Not only that, but copper had a straight up day today, finishing the day about 1.87% higher, not far from the highs on the day. And today was basically a straight up session for copper. The low today, 4.045, that was 1 basis point higher than yesterday's settlement. We'll just call that unchanged. Also, the high today, 4.137, was up 2.26%, so over 2.25% higher. Copper finished the week up over 5.8%, which didn't quite reach the lofty levels of the week of January 9, 2023, where copper finished up 7.8%. There was more supply distress today in the news. Indonesia's copper fell to just 55 tons in terms of their imports year to date. Now, this has been a steady decline, and according to reports, the January to February period last year had Indonesia exporting 4,700 tons of the industrial metal. Now, some of this is government crackdown and some of it is labor strife, but you combine this with the Chinese non-ferrous metal industry vowing to trim smelter outputs, you have a continued rally. Also, the US dollar. Now, this is sort of a contrary point. Copper rallied today despite the stronger US dollar and higher yields. Yields were up double digits this week, and today itself, yields were up anywhere from 1 to 4 basis points across the board, and the dollar was up against most majors except the euro, where the dollar was basically flat. Now, that's normally a headwind for copper, but the copper market itself, with the supply disruptions, held the day and continued to rally, finishing with such a strong week.